This is an unboxing video of the Bushnell Elite 6500 rifle scope, and in this case we're looking at the 2.5 by 16 by 50 on a 30mm tube. This is a unit sent to us for review by Bushnell. I have a sneaky feeling we may be missing a couple of pieces. It's got shades, got a very basic set of lens caps, as you can see. And then the unit itself, fairly small, lightweight. It has fairly basic and pretty small lettering on the turrets. And the turrets are slightly older style than some of the other scopes that we have looked at, as you can see. So it's a fairly simple and cost-effective scope. Parallax, elevation, windage. Got a bit. This one's got a fairly sort of lower mag, but they do make higher magnification versions. Let's see what it weighs. So pretty light, 1 pound, 5 ounces or so. So it's a quick review of the Bushnell Elite 6500 scope.